What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be changing oil in a lawnmower. This specific one is a Honda HRR216. They will all be very similar. There's basically two different types. One type is the type I'm about to show you. The second type, you go underneath and you go through the bottom of the deck and you'll take out a plug, and usually it's a 3/8 drive ratchet with an extension will get you in there and get you loose. So what you're going to need is basically oil, and you're going to need a tub to stick the old oil in. So for safety reasons, we're going to go over here to the other side and we're going to shut the fuel off so it doesn't leak all over the place. Then what we're going to do is take out the dipstick. And it's already been running. My son mowed the grass, so it is nice and hot. Just be careful, but this is the way you're going to want to do it. Oh yeah, look at all that. All right, you can let that drip as long as you want. The honest truth is you're only gonna get so much out of it. You're still gonna have other stuff in there. As you can see, this stuff is nasty. All right, so as you can see by the side, right above where you fill it, it says genuine Honda oil recommended. I would not worry about that specifically. I am going to be using Mobil 1 high mileage 1030. It should be a 1030 just because they're always being used when it's hot. So 1030 is what's recommended. I would recommend using that. We're using a full synthetic only because this is what's laying around and I don't have any vehicles that take this anymore. So you can use whatever you want. Use any brand you want, 1030. I will link down below the Honda stuff if you want to go with that. And basically it's going to take 12 to like 13.5 ounces. We're just going to go ahead and fill her up and we'll show you how to check it and make sure everything's good. Okay, so when you're checking this, you just want to set it in there. You don't want to twist it. And as you can see, we are pretty much right on the money. Maybe a little bit high, but that's fine. It's a mower. It's going to burn some oil. So I am happy with that. So once you have it all drained out, just put this into a smaller container, like maybe a Gatorade bottle or a soda bottle or something, and you can usually take it to any auto parts store and they'll take it because they have a way to dispose of it. Somebody comes in and takes it from them. So just give them a call, make sure their tank's not full, and usually they'll gladly take the used engine oil for you. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it. Just you know, turn the fuel off, take the cap out or take the dipstick out, dump it on its side, let it drain as long as you'd like. Just make sure it's hot so it gets most of all the junk out too, and then just go ahead and refill it with the oil of your choice and you're good to go. So I hope this helped you. If it did, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. We'll be doing some other stuff with this mower and other mowers, so we'll see you on the next one, guys. Thanks for watching.